Imagine creating high quality content in minutes, not hours, like your blog post, your social caption, even video script without touching ChatGPT or even copy paste and then copying and then merging together. Now, today I will show you how I built my own AI content creator assistant that does it all, and I'm going to show you how you can build your own. And the amazing thing is that you don't even have to type. It's just with your voice. Okay, I want to do this, help me create this, and then it's going to help you write your own script. The way you talk, or the way that person that you love so much, the way that content writer talks, the way he or she writes, I'm going to show you how you can copy that person, and then you're going to get your content exactly the same way. So let me just show you a quick demo. Don't worry, we're going to track how many minutes it takes to run this. And let me just show you the demo. Just come to your execute workflow, and then we'll go to our Telegram. Okay, I want to train my colleagues on hospitality etiquette, helping with a well-structured content in that line. You see, this is already taking it. Yes. Boom. And then we have it. See, 90-second hospitality etiquette reset that turns first-time guests into lifelong fans. Imagine a guest who walks away from your lobby thinking, I've never felt this welcome anywhere on earth. That feeling takes exactly 90 seconds to create. If you know the tiny etiquette tweaks most teams overlook, and then this is the body. The first 30 seconds greeting rule went blah blah blah. The second, the name game. People love their own names more than any loyalty point. This is it. If you take your time and read it, you will know that this is well structured. It's not just those random message just copy from ChatGPT. So now let's go into how to create our own. Now let's start from here. Don't worry, I'm going to give us the workflow. Don't worry, it's free. The tutorial is going to guide you step by step that even without the workflow, you can create your own. Now, the first step is this, the Telegram trigger. Come here and then put in the Telegram bot you're using, or the bot you want. And if you don't know how to create this, I already did a tutorial on how to integrate your Telegram. I made that tutorial because of this one, so you have to go over it, and then when you're done, you can come back here. Or if you know how to, then let's just go on. So this is my own token API, and this is the message. Is voice, so it's showing that it is voice, and then this is the file ID. So because it's voice, Telegram cannot give you text, so it's only going to give you the ID that you can use to fetch the audio itself. And then we go to the next one. This one is just going to check if it is voice or if it is text. So this one, JSON message dot voice, and this is it. This is a message, and then this is the voice. So it's going to check, is it empty? If it is empty, then it's not voice. But if it's not empty, we have this. Don't worry, we're going to do if it is text as well. So if it is voice, if the voice is not empty, and this is the voice, is not empty, we have a voice here. Then that's why we have this output. And that's why we have the output 0 here. Now what we want to do now is to get the file info. This is the URL, api.telegram, and then this is a bot, your Telegram bot. Now this number that you're seeing, this is going to be your own token, your bot token. See, from here to here. So you're going to paste in, copy your own token, your bot token, and then paste it here in front of this bot. You can see there's no space, there's nothing there before this slash. So just paste it and then get file. This is the the audio that we sent from Telegram, and then where is it? This is a message. This is the message, and then this is the voice. This is a voice, and then where is it? This is our file ID. This is where the audio is hiding inside this file ID. So once we do this, don't worry, there's no other settings here. Just execute it, then you're going to have this: the file ID, the file unique ID, file size, and then file path. You can see that there's nothing like file path here. It's inside this file ID. So, and immediately we fetch this, then we got this file path. So we're going to be using this file path to now extract. See the file path, and this is actually the data itself, voice/file_2.oga. So after getting the file, now we're going to download that voice itself. That voice. If it is text that we sent from Telegram, we don't need all this stress actually. It's not a stress. It's not a stress, because once we set it up, it becomes very easy. It's just you talking back. But if it's text, we don't need to extract all these things. It's just going to get the text directly. And now let's continue. We want to download. Now we're going to be using this file path, and then that's why I said your bot token is very, very important. If not, if you don't have this bot token, you won't be able to fetch anything from your Telegram. And then you're going to put in your bot token here again, and then this is a file we want to fetch. This is get file JSON. This is the result, and then this is the file path that I told you about. This is a file path, and then once you execute, this is it. This is it, your file. This is a file _2.oga. This was ODA. You can download it if you want. If you download it, you'll be able to play. This is it. You'll be able to play, but we are not downloading. Now, what we now need to do now is we need to transcribe the audio. After we've downloaded the voice, we need to transcribe it and then convert it to text. But before we do that, there's a need for us to do something, because I am using Whisper under Groq, and Whisper does not accept .oga extension, the audio.oga extension. I need to convert or rename it to .ogg, and so that's why we are going to be using this node, and it's just a code node. So you just come here to your plus code, then you see code here, then just click on it. So that's how you get the code, and then this is the code. You don't have to stress yourself. Just copy this. So what I'm doing is const binary data is equal to this data here. So this binary data is already housing this data, and then file name equals to voice.ogg. So I'm converting this by binary data. This is it. Dot file name. This file _2.oga is equal to, I am changing it to voice.ogg. So I'm changing it from file _2.oga to voice.ogg, and then it's going to return it. And then you can see the file name here, voice.ogg. So that's that. And next thing now is to pass it to the Groq. Okay, so now what we now need to do is now pass this file into Groq, into Whisper, to help us convert the voice to text. And this is it. We're also using HTTP node here, and the method is post. This is the URL. This is URL api.groq.com/openai/v1/audio, then transcription, and then send header. You're going to be using JSON, and then this is authorization. This is where you're going to post in your Groq API. That is if you are using Groq actually. So you're going to be putting in your Groq API here, and then we're going to also send body. So from the body, you're going to change this body type, body content type to form data, and then body parameter. We're going to be using any10 binary. This is for the file. And then what's the name? The name is okay, it's just the name anyway. The name we are sending to Groq file is, and then this is it, data. And why we're using data is because this is what is housing here. This is the data. And then parameter type. Second one is the form type. And then this font, what we are saying is that this is the model I want to use from Groq. And then that's why the name is model. And then the model type is which bar dash large dash v3. And then that's all. So once you execute, it's going to transcribe the text for us. And imagine this is it. Okay, I want to train my colleagues on hospitality etiquette, helping with a so help me. So just go there. So help me with a well-structured content in that line. And since we already have our text, the next thing is just go to our AI agent. And please, before I open this, you see, your prompt is very important. User prompting, system prompt, it is very, very important, because this is where the magic is. And yes, I'm going to also give us the prompt that I use. This is where the magic is. If you get it wrong here, you'll be surprised that you're going to be getting the same thing that when you type to your ChatGPT or any large model, the same thing you get is just what you're going to get. But if you want to get something unique, every time that your tone is still the same, the way you talk is the same content is the same thing that you get over and over again. And if you want to change it, you just come in and tweak it. And yes, so this is the system message. You are an AI content creation assistant specialized in writing 4 to 6 minutes. You can change it to let's say 10 minutes. But the restriction here is that if you go past, let's say between 6 and 10 minutes, Telegram won't be able to accept it. So, but that's not a bot. What you just need to do is just, instead of sending it to Telegram, you can just send it to maybe Google Sheets, maybe your Airtable. So it's going to ask it. You can even do 20 minutes. It's going to give you exactly something something very good that you yourself will be proud of. And then it's going to, now the prompts, this project has 2 parts. The first part is to give me the content itself, and then second part is to give me hashtag for what's it called, for virality. So it knows how to do that. This is the objective: giving a list of topics or expression of what to write, and 2 to 3 sample script of the user's writing style. You will produce 1 sample of well-structured conversational 4 to 6 minute script that match the user's personal speaking style and tone, which is posted under the example heading below. And where's the example? Let me just scroll down, and then you're going to see the example. So this is where you're going to post your writing style, or you copy someone that you want to mimic. You copy their text, the way they write, copy it, and then put the text here. You see, number 1, booking an hotel from, and then this is sample 1, this is sample 2, this is sample 3. So you're going to put it the way you write or the way you want to sound. So this is it. So I'm going to give us this thing. So it's going to give you the hook, it will give you the body, it will give you the action, and then the close. So I don't have time to actually go through this, so that it's not going to be long. When you read the prompt, you will see what we did. And then this is the second part. Suggest 5 to 7 relevant hashtags for both LinkedIn and Instagram for virality. You can tweak this text, this system prompt to your own area of specialty, what you want to write. You know it, your own writing style, and then this is it. And after execution, see what we have. Output is going to give you this. Now, topic title: the 90 seconds hospitality etiquette reset that turns first-time guests into lifelong fans. The way it sounds is so beautiful. It's just different from those general things that the LLM will give you, because we already instructed what to do, how to sound, how to write it, and then we are done. The next is just to send the message back to Telegram, so that immediately we send that voice to Telegram. Telegram will pass it to our anytime trigger here, and then before you know it, you are done. I know that it's not even up to 1 minute. Don't worry, we're going to time it. I'm just going to leave the timing there. I know it's less than 1 minute, and then you have gotten something that could take you 2 hours to perfect, at times 5 hours to perfect. So now let's just open. This is also HTTP node, and what we want it to do is just send a message back to Telegram, and then this is a api.telegram.org bot, and then you're going to put in your token here, your bot token, and then this is it, and then /send message, and then we're going to send the body JSON. Use this field, and then chat ID. Where's the chat ID? You go back to your Telegram trigger, and then this is the message, and then where's the chat? This is chat, and this is the chat ID, and that's why you see 108127 108127, and then this is the text I want to send to this this text ID. The text ID is actually our it is our bot. It is our bot, so it's going to send it back to our bot. But if you want to send it to another chat itself, so you're going to get the chat ID, and then you put it here. But since we want to get it instantly from that bot as well, immediately, then we're going to be using this chat ID, and then this is a text. Where's the text? This is the output from the agent. Then you just drag it here, drag, and then you have it. Just drag in here, and then you have it, and that's just it. That's all. And then you execute step. Immediately execute, then you're going to have his first name, and then it will receive your content, and you are done. What you just need to focus on is how to post, and then I'm going to give us a tutorial on even how to automatically post on our social media as well. So stay tuned. Thank you very much, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a thumbs up, and then leave a comment if you have a question, and then subscribe as well. I would love to see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you.